Welcome to my channel. I'm Hilda here. Today I'm going to show you a bottle craft for Christmas. I'll be using this bottle and I'll be priming this first with white acrylic. I have downloaded some images from Google and I'll be cutting these and I'll be pasting it on the bottle. You can use stickers which are easily available in the market if you wish. The bottle is absolutely dry now and I'll now varnish this to secure the paint. You can use any of these varnish. This is gloss and this is matte. Gloss will give a very shiny effect on the bottle and matte will give a very frosted effect. I'm going for gloss for this project. The varnish is absolutely dry now. You can see that it's giving a beautiful shine to the bottle. So this is how the bottle is going to look. So this is what I wanted to show you today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Do tune in again. I'll come back with another interesting video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and I love you all.